Yeah, I think hi all. I think we can start now. So welcome all of you. Welcome to my live video. Here, just I want to help everyone to know why I have stopped streaming and why I want to continue back. Actually, the reason why I stopped streaming was usually at 2% I would exit whatever the loss it may be, but still I was not able to exit even after to leave to even after I hit 4%. I was not able to exit. So in the month of October, if you see, I have made a huge loss, around 1.5 lakhs loss. That is just in Zeroda. In Alice Blue also around 1 lakh loss was there. So when I just analyzed what was the mistake, if you see in this expiry alone, 1 lakh, again in this expiry alone 1 lakh, here other expiries are less only, but these two expiries alone consider 2 lakhs. And in Alice Blue also the same day it was around 20,000, so it was around 2 lakh 40,000 loss in just two expiries. So what ideally what should I have done is Alice Blue is fine, 20,000 loss, but here once it around 20 lakhs was there, once it hit 40, okay, leave 40, at least at 50,000 I should have exited. Assume that I've exited at 50,000, here I would have saved 50,000, and here I would have saved 60,000, so almost 1 lakh 10,000. So over the month, if you see, just I would have been in 50 or 60,000 loss, so that is fine. uh, all the every month we can't earn money. So this was one of the reasons I wanted to work on, because usually what I tell my followers is at 2% you have to exit, but still even I was not able to follow that. So there is one saying called practice what you preach. So if I'm able to if I'm itself not able to practice what I'm telling, so there is some problem with me. So that is the main reason I wanted to minimize the risk in trading in XPD. So what I've done is I've started to work on other strategies, and one strategy is working, and I'm sort of making consistent profit in that. So that I have started from December. So if you see the month of December, I made around 1.62 lakhs profit. So this is around 5 to 6% of my capital, from my capital. So this amount, if I may forget this, even if I'm able to make 1.2 lakhs consistently, that is more than enough. Instead of making 3 lakhs 1 month, 1 lakh loss another month. So consistency is the main thing. So if I'm able to make 4 to 5% consistency every month, so you're really ahead of many traders who are in the market. So because many option buyers are there who will simply tell I'm able to make this much, that much, but what they'll do is 10,000 they'll earn first day, second day 20,000, but third day they'll lose 30,000. But there are many professional option buyers also. 1 or 2% loss hits, they will come out of the trade. So those people are very good to follow. And yes, this topic I've covered how much losses I faced and why, and how I overcame the losses is first. If you see here also in December, on expiries I've traded, but if you see the loss is very less. So this I had made one mistake by exiting a trade here 15,000. Actually here just 1 or 2,000 profit was there, but by mistake it has happened. So anyway, if you see this trade here weekly, I make and just targeting 1 to 2%, not like earlier where I'm expecting more. So that strategy, if you see this, actually this I was started on Friday. So from now on and daily I'll post the videos on what are the adjustments I'm doing. It is just ratio spread. What I'm doing is this strategy actually I learned from Theta Earners. He's doing for Nifty, but for me I'm comfortable in Bank Nifty, so I'm doing it in Bank Nifty. So what I'm doing is I'm selling deep out of the money twice and little bit in the money, just half the quantity. So here if you see my orders, here I bought it at 800. So this buy is there 400 buy and 800 was the sell of these two quantities. So if you see over here, put side it has almost decayed. call side not much decay is there, but anyway it will happen tomorrow or day after, so no need to worry. And on Wednesday what I'm doing is I'm taking intraday strategies. So if you see on if assume today was Wednesday, then market was around it was moving up and down if you see the chart today. So what I'll do is after 10 o'clock I will start taking a trade which is around 1500 points away from the spot price for on Wednesday. So even if I'm selling at 10 rupees, if it goes even till 20 or 30, which is very unlikely, so I will take it to next day. So that way what I'm doing is this buy, I'm able to convert this complete buy, this whatever the credit it is, if you take this 18 into 400, 18 into 400, 7200, so it's almost 14,000. So on anyway on Wednesday it will be some 3-4 rupees, around 10,000 will be the debit from these two. But what I will do is I'll try to manage that amount in intraday. So on Wednesday if you see I was able to manage completely. So this is Thursday. See if you see here 6,000, here just it is 595, but usually it should be 10,000 because I'm exiting the buy positions. So from Tuesday's sell position I will be able to make some, so other half I will be able to make from the buy positions. So overall if you see I'll be the whole week I'll somewhat be in profit, very little I'll be in loss. So this month I've made little bit more, 1.62 by 20, it's almost 6.5%. So even if I'm getting to a 4%, I would have been happy, because now I'm starting to concentrate more on consistency rather than more on intraday. Once I'm able to make consistency, that time I will start to take little bit of risk, not like earlier. So that is how I'm able to manage the risk for now. And one more strategy I've started to test, but not sure whether it will work or not. So one lot I'm trying. So if you see over here, SBI and ITC, I'm going to do a debit spread on not debit spread, a strangle on both put and call side. Uh, and this strategy I started it around 2 weeks back. So I've here in SBI I've started it at 230 and 240 put. But 10 points I was keeping on shifting whenever I'm getting here 1 point I would exit and shift at whatever the price I was selling. Assume I have sold it at 3.5. So when that becomes 2.5, I'll go to another strike price where 3.5 is there. Here there will be one question. Okay, what if the market reverses? It's okay, then I will keep shifting call. Again one more question will come. Okay, what if this goes in the money? So in the money, if it goes, what I'll do is I'll open the chart. Assume it goes in the money or at the money, it goes at the money tomorrow. So the premium will be 10 or 12. Even if it is 8, what I will do is I will convert it to an iron fly. So this side, call side, assume it goes on call side, it will be 8. So here also it will be 8. So what I'll do is I will directly close all the positions and I will convert it to iron fly. So what will happen, I will be keep shifting on either of the sides. So when I'm converting to iron fly, my loss is fixed. It will be around 4-5,000. So that is fine, because I'll be whenever I'm shifting, I'm making a profit. See, today also I've shifted. See here 3,000 I've made. So if you see more, almost 6,000, 7, 8, 9, almost 15,000 I've already made. So I'm planning to keep these positions like this only. But if huge move comes, I will definitely convert it to Ironfly. I will limit my loss. Again, if Ironfly it is going to my maximum loss side, that time also I will try to manage. So that management also I will post everything in YouTube. I'll try to do live also for that. So this strategy, this stock strategy actually requires very less capital. So for both ITC and SBI, not even 2 lakhs, around 1.7 lakhs has been used till now. So this, I think, even people who are going to office can put it and leave it. Just maybe daily 3-4 times if they open and see. So that might be helpful. Suppose just we have to see that it should not go in the money. deep in the money. If it goes, if it is touching at the money, immediately convert it to handfly. So this strategy I'm testing. If it works, definitely I'll share with everyone in YouTube. Even with 1 or 2 lakhs, at least I will recommend 2 lakhs, but we can definitely do this strategy with less capital. So I think I've covered all the points which I wanted to cover. So if any question is there, if you people can ask, I will answer. So I'll just open the video. Yeah, even I miss going on live, but still I wanted to be confident. Only if I'm confident, I can teach everyone. So I didn't want to start streaming again until I was confident. Bro, Hindi, I'm a little bit weak in Hindi, but definitely I'll learn. So, आज का profit कितना है? So today, if you see my profit for today, just you have to consider these because these are the book positions. Others I have not booked. So we can see 6,000. 6,000 is a profit for today. This is from the other strategy, which I'm doing monthly. So don't consider for this for weekly. Just consider this for monthly. So tomorrow also I will post everything. I'll try to go live tomorrow. So whatever adjustment I'm doing, I will explain it. Intraday I don't do intraday much. So now I'm planning to concentrate more on positional. Intraday only expiry I'm doing. And on Wednesday I'm playing intraday, but very little I'm playing. Till 10 o'clock I won't enter. There is a reason, because even if 50-point move comes, the premium will move like anything. So generally I try to avoid, because there are chances both side the stop loss will hit. That's why I try to avoid entering before 10 o'clock. But how to manage with yourself? Strangle, see, you can do strangle, but according to me, strangle, suppose you are selling both side at 20, 90% of the time it will, if suppose one side is being tested at 40, it will go to 40 and again it will come back to 20. So what I will suggest is, carry it till expiry. Suppose if you are selling it at 40, keep selling for 40. uh, Keep shifting. You will be selling at 10 again. Your 10 becomes 20, means again shift it to 10, again keep shifting. So if you see again, if your overall loss won't be more than 1%. At any point, if your loss is hitting 2% of your capital, exit. Whatever the chances are there, maybe you'll be profitable. Better it is good to lose 2% than to lose 4-5%. Just from my experience, I'm telling you over here. See, just I could have entered at 50,000 loss, but I had exited at 50,000 loss. But if you see here, I have exited at 1 lakh loss. See here, in both places. So better to exit at 2%. Keep it as a standard. So open interest for positional. If you see positional, you can just see here, see if it is 1 lakh 60 to 16 lakhs it is. So the probability is more, but you can't be sure. Just it is a probability, but in positional we can manage the positions easily. So first decide on your target. If you're targeting 1 or 2% on monthly, weekly, you can. On Friday what I will do is I will do this thing, ratio spread. So if you're from the tomorrow I will put all my trades. So in the ratio spread, even if one side move is coming, so what you can do is one side you'll be profitable. So really it will, if once you are hitting some 3-4 thousand profit, or even 1 or 2 thousand profit, you can close the ratio spread again, put one more ratio spread in the bottom. So ratio spread is really working for me very good. on Friday, and Monday I will what I'll do is I'll convert it to an iron condor if you see over here. But little iron condor and little naked. I'm not sure what is the strategy name for this. I think it is ratio spread only. I will check the strategy name because here it first this buy will be towards the spot if you see, but afterwards I will move my sell positions towards the spot. So like that I'm planning to do, and this is working very good. So I'll explain my daily adjustments in my live video. uh, yes, 2 lakhs, no, you can't do to ratio spread in 2 lakhs because one of my friend is trading with me. So he's taking all the positions which I'm taking, but his capital is 5 lakhs. For him itself it is difficult to manage ratio spread. So see, this is the guy which I told, Chetan. He also made around 5-6% um, this month. Uh, he is managing ratio spread with 4-5 lakhs, and on my expiry he's trading along with me. So we both are targeting 1 to 2% per week. So if we are getting that, we are happy with that. So I think I've covered everything for today. So any doubts, guys, you can even put it in the comments. I'll try to explain as much as possible. Yeah, thank you for joining the stream. You can join the stream tomorrow. So I'll be trading live tomorrow. Thank you.